Procrastination is a universal challenge, but James Clear offers a deceptively simple strategy to overcome it in Chapter 14 of Atomic Habits. The 2-minute rule. This method helps you take the first step toward any goal by breaking it down into an action that takes less than 2 minutes. The power of starting small. Clear explains that most goals fail, not because they're impossible, but because getting started feels overwhelming. The 2-minute rule eliminates this obstacle by making the first step so easy that it's almost impossible to say no. How it works. The 2-minute rule is simple. Whatever habit you want to build, scale it down to a version that takes no longer than 2 minutes. Want to read more? Start by reading 1 page. Want to run a marathon? Begin by tying your running shoes. Want to write a book? Commit to writing 1 sentence. These small steps might seem insignificant, but they create momentum. Once you've begun, it's much easier to keep going. Why this works. Clear emphasizes that habits are built on identity, not outcomes. By starting small, you cast a vote for the person you want to become. Reading 1 page a day makes you a reader. Writing 1 sentence makes you a writer. Tying your running shoes makes you an athlete in motion. From 2 minutes to transformation. The 2-minute rule is not about staying small forever. It's about creating a gateway to bigger actions. For example, reading 1 page can lead to reading an entire chapter. Tying your shoes can lead to a 20-minute run. Writing 1 sentence can lead to completing a paragraph. The key is to focus on consistency. By making a habit easy to start, you lower the barrier to entry and increase the likelihood of success. Practical applications of the 2-minute rule. Health. Instead of committing to a full workout, start by doing 2 push-ups. Productivity. Instead of organizing your entire workspace, start by clearing 1 section of your desk. Relationships. Instead of a long phone call, send a quick text to reconnect with someone. These small actions compound over time, leading to meaningful progress. Key takeaway. Progress begins with a single step. The 2-minute rule turns the overwhelming into the achievable, helping you overcome procrastination and build habits that last. Reflection. What's one habit you've been putting off? Try the 2-minute rule today. Just take that tiny first step and see where it leads. Chapter 15. How to make good habits, inevitable, and bad habits impossible. In Chapter 15 of Atomic Habits, James Clear dives into strategies that ensure you stick to good habits while making bad ones nearly impossible. The key is to design your environment in a way that works for you, not against you. Designing your environment for success. Clear explains that habits are not just about willpower, they're deeply influenced by the environment around us. By shaping your surroundings, you can make good habits easier and bad habits harder. Make good habits inevitable. The goal is to create a system where the path of least resistance leads to your desired behavior. Here are a few ways to do it. 1. Habit stacking with triggers. Link a new habit to an existing one. For instance, after I pour my morning coffee, I'll meditate for 1 minute. 2. Optimize your space. Arrange your environment to prompt good habits. If you want to play guitar more often, keep it on a stand in your living room instead of in a closet. 3. Use commitment devices. Set up rules or tools that make good habits automatic. For example, set up automatic transfers to a savings account to make saving money effortless. Make bad habits impossible. If you struggle to break bad habits, the trick is to make them inconvenient. Examples include increase friction. If you spend too much time on social media, delete the app or log out after every use to make it harder to access. Use technology to block temptation. Tools like website blockers can prevent you from visiting distracting sites. Change your environment. If you're trying to eat healthier, don't keep junk food in the house. The role of automation. Clear emphasizes the power of automation in habit formation. By using tools, systems, and technology, you can put many good habits on autopilot. For instance, schedule recurring workouts with a friend to make exercise non-negotiable. Set reminders or alarms for habits you're building. Examples in action. A man who wanted to learn Spanish put sticky notes with vocabulary words on household items to immerse himself in the language. A woman trying to cut back on TV unplugged her set after each use and stored the remote in another room. The power of inversion. The principle works both ways. By making bad habits harder to follow, you reduce the likelihood of indulging in them. For example, if you want to stop impulse shopping, delete saved payment methods from online stores. Key takeaway. You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. By redesigning your environment, you make good habits inevitable and bad habits nearly impossible. Reflection. What small change can you make to your environment today that will help you build a better habit or eliminate a bad one? Try it, and watch how the simplicity of this strategy transforms your life. Chapter 16. The Truth About Talent. When Genes Matter and When They Don't. In Chapter 16 of Atomic Habits, James Clear tackles the often debated topic of talent versus effort. He explains that while talent plays a role in habit formation and success, it's not the sole determining factor. The key is to align your habits with your natural abilities to maximize your potential. Talent sets the starting line. Clear emphasizes that genetics and natural talent give individuals an initial advantage in certain areas. However, talent alone is not enough to guarantee long-term success. The most important. Chapter 17. The Goldilocks Rule. How to stay motivated in life and work. In Chapter 17 of Atomic Habits, James Clear explores a concept called the Goldilocks Rule, a principle that explains how to stay motivated over the long term. The idea is simple. Humans experience peak motivation when they work on tasks that are just challenging enough, not too easy, not too hard. The sweet spot of motivation. Clear uses the analogy of Goldilocks and her search for the perfect porridge, neither too hot nor too cold. Similarly, when a task is within the. Chapter 19. Conclusion. The secret to results that last. In the final chapter of Atomic Habits, James Clear ties everything together, offering a lasting message on how to create meaningful and enduring change in your life. The secret lies in the process, not the goal. Clear reiterates one of the book's central themes. Success is not about hitting a specific target, it's about building systems that keep you moving forward. Goals set a direction, but habits are what drive sustained progress. For example, aspiring to write a book is admirable, but establishing a habit of writing every day is what ensures you'll reach that goal. Small changes create big impact. The power of atomic habits lies in their compounding nature. Clear uses the analogy of compounding interest in finance. Small, consistent actions build momentum over time, leading to exponential results. This principle applies to every area of life, from health to relationships to career growth. Becoming the type of person you want to be at its core, habit formation is about identity. Clear reminds readers that the key to long-term change is to focus on becoming the type of person you want to be. Instead of obsessing over outcomes, shift your mindset to match your desired identity. For example, don't just aim to run a marathon, become a runner. Don't just aim to write a novel, become a writer. Don't just aim to save money, become a saver. The 4 Laws as a lifelong framework. Clear urges readers to revisit the 4 laws of behavior change. Make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, make it satisfying, as a guiding framework for shaping any habit. Whether you're starting a new habit or breaking an old one, These principles will serve as a reliable roadmap. Reflection on progress. Clear emphasizes the importance of reflection and review. Regularly assess your habits and progress, celebrating wins while adjusting what isn't working. Reflection ensures you stay aligned with your goals and identity. Habits are a lifestyle, not a chore. The final takeaway is that habits are not just tasks to check off a list. They're the building blocks of a fulfilling life. By integrating effective habits into your daily routine, you can unlock your potential and live with purpose. Key takeaway. True transformation doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey of small, consistent actions compounded over time. The secret to results that last is embracing habits as part of who you are, not just what you do. Final thought. Every action you take is a vote for the type of person you wish to become. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, your habits shape your destiny. Congratulations! You've just completed a journey through Atomic Habits by James Clear, one of the most impactful guides to building a better life through small, consistent changes. Think about it. Every action you take is shaping the person you're becoming. So why not make each one count? At TED.doodles, we believe in bringing ideas like this to life in ways that stick with you. It's all about turning powerful insights into visual experiences you'll remember and love. That's why our tagline is, "Doodles of content you already love." But the journey doesn't stop here. If Atomic Habits inspired you, imagine what you could gain from other transformative ideas. Check out our growing collection of doodle videos inspired by some of the greatest TED Talks and life-changing books. From mastering conversations to unlocking creativity, there's always something new to discover. Why stick with TED.doodles? Because our mission is simple: to break down big ideas into digestible, fun, and memorable visuals that you can apply to your life right now. Here's how you can keep the momentum going. 1. Watch more. Dive into our playlists for more insights on personal growth, leadership, and happiness. 2. Engage. Like this video, drop a comment, and share your favorite habit-building tips or what you loved most about Atomic Habits. 3. Subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll never miss our next doodle adventure. Remember, the small habits you build today will shape the future you want tomorrow. Thank you for being a part of the TED.doodles community, and we can't wait to see you back for more. Stay curious, stay inspired, and keep doodling your way to a better life. See you soon.